Happy Monday. Long time no talk. I haven't spoke with you guys since we got back from Sicily. Definitely took the last few weeks like adjusting and editing my Sicily vlog, which if you missed it, it's finally out, so definitely go ahead and check it out. As you may or may not be able to tell from the fact that it's a Monday and I'm indeed wearing my yoga set, we are going to yoga later on tonight. I definitely love a Monday routine, like getting to do all my self-care bits, so washing my hair, you know, having a face mask and then doing yoga at the end of the night. Is low-key what I live for. But until then, I got an exciting package that I cannot wait to share with you guys, and once we're done with that, I'm also gonna make myself a little coffee because I feel like that's our little tradition now. But first thing first, let's open this bad boy. Oh my god. We do love a package within a package, but I have a feeling I'll need scissors to open this one. I'm so excited for this one. Here she is, the star of the show. I basically got a little Polaroid printer and I'm super excited because I feel like it's gonna be super useful for when I do junk journaling. And talking about my junk journal, I haven't updated it in a while and I've definitely been collecting the junk, so we're definitely gonna do it together. I don't know if it's in this vlog or in the future vlog, so definitely stay tuned for that. I cannot wait. And it also comes with two of these. I do have a proper Polaroid camera, but not gonna lie, I haven't been using it as much as I thought I would, and that's because I never really bring it when we're out and about because it is a bit bulky, and even when we travel we usually just take a bag with us, and the Polaroid never really fits into the categories of the things that we want to bring, and so a little printer would do the trick, so that's gonna be super exciting. But now, you know what else I'm excited for? A little coffee. I think I'm gonna try this new one today. Okay, here she is. Looks like a normal capsule. My only problem is that it doesn't say anywhere what setting I should put my coffee machine at, so I guess we'll have to choose it ourselves and then pray for the best. So she looks a little darker than what she usually looks like. Cheers. Oh my god, no. Ugh. It's very dense and I think it was in the wrong setting, but then again the machine didn't really tell me the settings, so it's not nice though. It's very not nice. It's also very sweet. You can sort of see my new flowers just there. Let me show you. I'm low-key obsessed. My boyfriend surprised me with them and they're simply perfect. So that's the pile of stuff that I need to deal with. If it looks like a lot, it's because it is a lot. I basically haven't done anything since January. I still need to do a bunch of spreads from our time in Rome. And after that, it's still Valentine's Day. And then of course, whatever it is that I've collected here. I think the best thing to do is to go through all of this, so figure out what is what, and then move on from there. Silly me, I thought I could organize all of these before yoga, but we need to go. So it's a few days later. Last clip that I filmed for this vlog was on Monday. It's currently Saturday. I was planning on vlogging the rest of the week, but we ended up going to Canterbury on Wednesday and I did decide to make a separate vlog about it, which is already up if you want to go ahead and check it out. And then the rest of the week I was pretty much working in the evening and I was super like tired in the morning that I could, you know, I would just like wake up, get myself ready, go to work. Like I didn't really do anything else in the morning, and that pretty much leads me to today. It's definitely later on in the day as well. I finish working at 6 and then I go back home took a very nice cold shower and I feel like a new person now. We're definitely having the best weather in London at the moment. It's like super hot and I'm not complaining because I definitely love a hot climate in the summertime, but when I'm wearing a white shirt and it's like 31 degrees outside, then I am complaining because I'm like sweating so much. But like I said, after the shower I feel very good. I'm currently wearing my favorite PJ set as well, which I'll have to show you guys. I got those last year if you remember, and it's finally hot enough to wear them again, so this little set is back. I do have a couple of new parcels that I want to open with you guys on camera, but before I do that I wanted to address the junk journal because I'm not gonna lie, after yoga I did a bit of junk journaling, but I still have a long way to go. So with the fact that we've been to Canterbury, I have a lot more that I need to like add, so I do think I'm gonna do a separate vlog just dedicated to that, and it'll be like junk journal 101. So let me know if you're interested and if you have any questions. And with that being said, we can move on to the unboxing part of this vlog, because let me just say we got a lot. I got indeed scissors to open the first one. They added tape all around it to like secure it, but oh my god, it's so hard to open it now. Guess we're gonna do the ripping method. Okay, here we have it. Quick background story. When we went to Sicily, I decided to get myself 2 new pair of glasses. The first one is this one that I'm wearing. You guys of course did not know this because I literally got the exact same pair. They're just new. And then I also got myself a pair of sunglasses, which yet again they're the same ones that I always wear, but again new. Let me just say specifically my sunglasses, they were super old. I think I got them in like 2018. My prescription changed since then, and also the lenses themselves, they were super like scratched, so I can't wait to open this up and start to use them. I had to get these shipped because they were not gonna be ready in time. They were so lovely, they shipped them all the way to the UK. So this is what was inside the box. The original glasses came with these very bright blue lenses, and I don't know why they sent them to me, but here we have them. They come with a little like warranty of 2 years. Oh, that's so cute. I'm pretty sure my old ones did not came with any of these, but oh well. I am a bit bummed about the case because I thought it was gonna come with the classic like Ray-Ban sunglasses case. Do you know which one I'm talking about? Either way, let's open this up. I'm super nervous. Okay. They look so different. I don't know if maybe just because they're new and I'm not used to them. Let me try them on. This is not what I wanted. No way. I literally see blue. Why am I seeing blue? I don't know what to do at this point. I mean, I'll have to get in touch with them because I paid so much for these glasses, and like I'm not gonna use those. I mean, I don't want to see the world through like blue color glasses. I want to see the world through rose color glasses, if anything. I'm literally so pissed off. Oh my god. Whatever, I'll get in touch with them. Hopefully they're gonna fix them. Anyway, let's move on to some Amazon parcels, otherwise I'm literally gonna cry. I got a steel band for my Apple Watch. I don't really know if I'm gonna like this one, but I figured I could always return it if I don't. Here she is. Okay, I mean, I'll have to adjust this because it's very like big on me, but I think I like it. Next up, I got something very exciting that I've been wanting to get for a while, but I never got it because I was like, where am I gonna put it? Like, I already live in a small place, but then I was like, you know what? It's a small one, I might as well. Guys, I got myself a sewing machine. When I tell you I'm excited, I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so cute. So tiny as well. Here she is in all her glory. I will take her off the box as well and show you guys, but I cannot wait to use it. I think that's gonna be it for now. I was hoping to unbox one more parcel, but it's still yet to arrive and I'm thrilled about it. I got myself a little dress from TikTok shop, and this is a first for me because I never got anything on TikTok shop, but I saw this dress on Vinted and I was obsessed about it, but I was too late. Somebody else bought it and I kept thinking about the dress, and so I made some research, and apparently it was originally from TikTok shop, and so I decided to go get it. I really hope it comes by Monday because, spoiler alert, I guess, we're going to Brighton. I'm taking you guys along. Quick background story, maybe some of you guys remember, but 2 birthdays ago I got my boyfriend this little fishing experience, and we've been to Brighton before because he was meant to do it and then it got cancelled. It was a whole thing, and we've been trying to book it like ever since, but every single time it would get cancelled because of like the bad weather. It looks like this time around is finally gonna be able to do it, and of course, me being the supportive girlfriend, I'm gonna finish at 5 on Monday, and then we're gonna go to Brighton together. We're probably gonna eat at my favorite fish and chip shops once we get there, and then on Tuesday it's gonna do is fishing experience, and I'll be enjoying Brighton on my own. That is sort of the plan. I think I'm gonna pick this vlog up tomorrow as well because we have dinner reservation at Angelina, and apparently the place itself and the dishes are very aesthetic, and of course I want to show you guys. But now let me go figure out the glasses situation and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, scratch what I just said. My TikTok shop order just delivered. Okay, I mean, I'll have to try it on, but it definitely has potential. Here's the dress. Now, let me say, these bows, I'm obsessed with. The color, I absolutely love it. Full transparency, I think there's something wrong with it. This front side of this, because the backs look stunning. There's just too much like fabric going on around here. I mean, my boobs are literally almost out because I tried to wear like the other way around, and clearly this part is not meant for your boobs. But do you see how like this bit is like straight and there's not like much fabric over here? I feel like this is how the front should have looked. I mean, I do have a sewing machine now, so I could technically fix it, but I don't know. Happy Sunday. I just finished to go ready. I'm honestly kind of obsessed with my outfit. I told you guys yesterday already, we're going to this little restaurant called Angelina, and this is gonna be my fit. I haven't worn this dress in a hot minute, but honestly, I'm super obsessed. Hello, è Felicia?
Batti le mani.
Da cosa iniziamo? Hi guys, happy Monday. We just made it to Brighton. We checked into our B&B. They're low-key doing karaoke night in the pub next door, and so you're definitely going to be able to hear them because I can hear them and they're very loud, but we love that. Despite that, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the place because, not gonna lie, it's very like teeny tiny, but it's kind of cozy and cute and I do really like it. And then we're gonna grab dinner somewhere. I think we're going for a like all-you-can-eat steak type of restaurant, but I guess I'll take you guys along. That's the entrance door. There's a cute little mirror on the other side of the door. This is what you see when you first walk in. So we got a little nightstand and the bed on this side. Then this bit is like the kitchenette area. Please do not mind our stuff just scattered around the floor. Then there's a little coffee machine, a kettle, and some goodies over there. We even got a microwave on the top shelf and a little sink as well. This is the place we're staying at if anyone is interested. By the way, how cool are these live features? On the opposite side, there's the bathroom. Big round mirror, I'm low-key obsessed with it. And then we got a little sink, toilet, and on the other side there's a shower. The room itself, specifically the bathroom, I feel like it's very small, but it does feel kind of cozy, which I do like. Good morning, it's the following day. My boyfriend is already out and about with the boat and I'm super excited for him because finally they were able to depart. Like I mentioned in the past, every single time he would book, it would get cancelled due to the weather. I think it'll be done by like 3, so until then I'm gonna probably go to a little coffee shop and grab breakfast. I'm still yet to eat and I'm like super hungry. I'm lucky getting a headache, so hopefully we'll find somewhere nice, just relax. I'm also halfway done editing this video and that makes me feel very good, so we're probably gonna do a bit more editing. We might go to the beach for a few hours until he finishes the fishing experience, and then I do want to go to my favorite fish and chips restaurant. Sadly it was closed last night and that's why we had to find another random restaurant, which was okay, but I will probably not go again. I am indeed wearing the TikTok dress as a little cover up. So I'm currently on a bus that's going to Brighton Marina and I'm super excited because my boyfriend managed to get something. I think that's them. Welcome back. The video. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this. We both got the place, it looks so good.
I walked away the way I've done before.